Hello, today we're going to be doing a physics question, and it's on single slit diffraction. So a monochromatic light beam of wavelength lambda is diffracted at a single slit of width b. After passing the slit, a diffraction pattern is observed on a screen a large distance away. The width of the central maximum is w. Okay, so we're given a diagram here, and we're told that the screen is moved closer to the slit. Okay, that's important. Which of the following changes done separately could result in no change in W, the central maximum? The width of the central maximum, I guess. Okay. So the variables that it mentioned, or that are important here, are D, which is the distance from the slit to the screen, lambda, and B, the slit distance. Okay, so let's look at the formulas applicable for this. Okay, so S equals lambda D over distance. This is a formula for sort of double slit diffraction, but it can also be applicable here. And for B and lambda, we can use this one. So the angle between the central and the first minimum is lambda over B. And now, okay, so we're told that the screen is moved closer to the slit, which means D, capital D, decreased. And let's ignore these two variables right now. So S is directly proportional to D. And since D decreased, S decreased, and S is the fringe distance. So essentially the width of the central maximum. And the width, at least this angle, also is another indicator of the fringe distance or the central maximum width or whatever. So this just shows that, oh, no, actually, we want to know what could change so that W could not change. And if we don't change anything right now, W would decrease as a result of capital D decreasing, and we want S or W to increase again. And this means that we want the angle to increase. And the angle is directly proportional to lambda and inversely proportional to B. So to increase theta, either we increase lambda because they're directly proportional, or we decrease the slit width because it's inversely proportional. So those are the two options. And it seems that B or C is the right one, because B is decreasing and lambda is increasing. So yeah, the final answer is B. Thank you.